All right, it is it's Wednesday, June 4th at 12:40 p.m. and I just got pulled over by two sheriffs on motorcycles.
Hello, Sheriff's Office.
How are you?
Good.
Good, what's going on?
Hey, my name's Deputy Sutherland. Where are you coming from right now?
Just up the hill to my home.
At your house?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have a license on you so I can identify you?
Why are you pulling me over?
On a side note, you're going 18 miles an hour in a 30-mile-an-hour zone, so you're impeding traffic.
Now, whoa, wait a minute. What did you just say? Say that again.
You're impeding traffic.
I was impeding traffic. Was there any traffic behind me?
That doesn't matter, and I know you're recording for that
That
purpose,
doesn't
so
matter?
The other
I'm recording to get the facts straight. You know, wait.
The other reason
I was driving 18 miles an hour, and you're pulling me over because I was impeding traffic and there was no one behind me?
Are you aware of that state statute? Apparently
I'm absolutely aware of the state statute. So if I'm driving 18 miles an hour...
Okay.
And there's no one behind me.
Right
No, well,
yeah,
that's what you quoted. No, you quoted that I was impeding traffic. In order to impede traffic, you have to have traffic. Isn't that correct, officer?
You're a vehicle. You're traffic, and I'm traffic.
No,
okay.
You pulled me over.
The other reason is...
No, you pulled me over. Answer the question. You just charged me with something, and if you're going to cite me for it,
charged you with something?
You said I was impeding traffic.
I haven't charged you with anything. I told you.
You said that you pulled me over because I was impeding traffic. Or do you pull people over just to talk to them, or what?
You're going 12 under. Okay.
Okay, I'm going 12 under. Why did you pull me over?
Okay.
You have a problem with me?
Hand me your ID, please.
You have a problem with me going 12 under when there's no traffic?
Yeah, still at the 93, 1035. Go ahead and run that 28 for me.
You have a problem with me driving 12 under if there's no traffic?
Okay. I'm going to ask you one more time to go ahead and hand me your identification because I've stopped you for a traffic violation.
That's what you stopped me for.
Go ahead and hand me your identification now. Okay?
Okay.
We're not going to dispute this.
Well, we are going to dispute it.
Go ahead.
You're making an accusation, and I'm asking you some questions about your accusation. I have a right to do that. Do you understand I have a right to do that? Do you? Yes or no? Do I have a constitutional right to dispute your accusation and what you just said? Yes or no? Answer the question.
Go ahead and hand me your identification.
Officer, answer the question. I have a right, as acting as my own attorney, to investigate a crime scene in your accusation. I'm acting as my own attorney right now, under common law of the United States Code. Answer my question as my attorney. Was I impeding traffic? Was I impeding traffic? Yes or no?
Yes.
Then why did you... Oh, yes? What traffic was I impeding? What vehicle?
Go ahead and hand me your identification.
No, answer the question first.
Okay.
I'm not going to give you my identification until you tell me why you pulled me over with cause. See, you have to have cause to pull me over.
He's got cause.
What cause?
Let him have his driver's license.
No, let me know what the cause is.
Let me talk to you once.
Now, don't you raise your voice at me.
You're raising yours. Be quiet.
No, I'm not. You raised your voice at me.
Be quiet. Let me talk
No,
with
I'm
you.
not going to be quiet. Don't raise your voice at me.
Let's just, okay, I want you to just listen to what we got to say.
Okay, don't raise your voice and I'll listen, okay?
We need to have your driver's license to find out who you are.
Why are you pulling me over?
Because you were going too slow. There was one vehicle that was behind you that turned off right above here. We were behind that.
And I was impeding that vehicle's progress?
Yes, you're going too slow. Okay. What that happens, what causes that? It makes road rage, and so then the people try to pass you. All kinds of problems. Okay. So I'm just asking.
So,
I'm asking you politely for your driver's license.
Oh, wait. Okay, I'll give it to you.
Okay.
I'll give it to you.
Okay.
And I have a right to speak under the Constitution and acting as my own attorney. Thank you, Officer Black. Okay, wait a minute. Now, I left my residence.
Okay.
And you said that the vehicle turned, so the only place that they could have turned is 600 South.
Right here, 600 South, yeah.
Okay, so that means that vehicle, because it wasn't behind me when I pulled it, that vehicle was behind me no less than 100 feet. And you're telling me you don't know about that? Well, that's a fact of the matter.
I don't know where he pulled in behind you at.
Well, I'm telling you that he wasn't behind me when I pulled out at my residence, which is at 675.
Okay.
And so, if this vehicle that I was impeding, that's why you're pulling me over.
Do you live at 675?
It's my property.
Does anybody live there?
My insane meth head brother lives there.
Oh, okay. Is he there now?
Apparently, yeah.
Okay. Okay. So,
But
just have your driver's license. We'll get this done.
Well, I want to know why you're pulling me over.
No, the deputy told you that.
And there's no other reason?
That's what he told you.
There's no other reason.
That's what he told you, sir.
Okay, answer my question. There's no other reason.
That is what he told you. I don't have any other than what he told you. Okay.
Okay.
May I have?
Now listen. That is a statement of fact. That is a fact assertion. As an officer of the court, you just made a fact assertion that you're not pulling me over for any other reason. Is that true?
All I know is what you were pulled over for and stopped to make contact with you.
Okay,
we're
that's
just
fine.
asking for your driver's license.
That's fine.
Please be cooperative with us.
I will absolutely. I am cooperating with you. You be cooperative with me too.
I am. So
I have legal rights.
I know you do.
Okay.
So let me have your driver's
you made a
license.
fact assertion that you're not pulling me over for any other reason.
We don't want this to go any farther than what it is.
You just said a fact statement. Is that the case?
I'm asking you to just let us have your...
And as my attorney, acting here and now, I'm asking you on scene to answer my question. You said that. You're dodging my question. You're not pulling me over for any other reason, yes or no?
As of right now,
it's his traffic stop.
Okay.
Okay.
You are not knowledgeable of any other reason that you are pulling me over. You.
I know that
Answer my question. You are not knowledgeable of...
Don't point your finger at me.
Okay, I'll point over here. You, I didn't mean to do that in an assertive way. You, Officer Deputy Black, have no knowledge of pulling me over for any other reason than I was driving too slowly. And now you've called for backup for some reason.
Because you're not cooperating.
I am cooperating. I have a right to ask my questions of why I'm being detained.
But we haven't done anything yet. So all I want is your driver's
I want to know
license.
why I'm being stopped. You can't stop me without cause.
That's exactly right.
Yes, that's
the cause was.
And I'm asking you, is there any other cause that you are knowledgeable?
It doesn't make any difference if there was that reason or 100
Answer
reasons.
the question.
I want your driver's license.
You answer my question. Do you
if you don't cooperate with us and let us have your information, then things are going to get worse. You're going to end up going to jail.
Just get him out.
Okay.
He's a suspect in the theft. That's why you're being detained.
I'm a suspect in the theft?
Based upon the
what theft?
Just get out of the car and put your hands behind your back.
Let's go.
Hurry up.
What theft?
Don't resist. You'll be under
I'm
arrest.
not resisting.
Let's videotape your cooperation.
Yeah,
right
what
now.
theft?
Let's videotape your cooperation.
What theft are you talking
Just
about?
put your hands behind your head and let us cuff you up.
What theft are you talking
So
about?
you're not moved, you
I'm
understand?
not. Don't crank on my wrist.
I'm asking
Let
you
go
to
of my
not
wrist
move.
now. I'm not moving. Let go of that wrist. Let go
Put your
of my
hand on your
wrist.
head.
It is. Quit cranking on my wrist.
You're gonna go to the ground and get tased. Just
For why? I am cooperating. It's
You're not
cranking on my
cooperating.
wrist. I'm not resisting.
No, you're not cooperating.
I
You
am.
can have your hand on your
I'll
head.
tell you what.
Taking it off.
Just hush. Just hush.
I will speak
Just
all
hush.
I want.
Just hush. You can make this as bad as you want.
I
to
will
make it.
speak all I want.
Stay
I have
here.
a right
Stay
to
in my
speak.
face.
I
I
have a
don't
right
think
to
you should
speak.
even take one step towards my face, or I'll put you on the ground.
Do it. Fine.